AIRE environmental potable water ball valve kits are carefully designed for your water containment needs. As a recommended accessory, these kits make filling and emptying AIRE environmental potable water bladders easier than ever. The potable water ball valve kit can be utilized with any 2-inch female camlock hose fitting. Before assembling your potable water ball valve kit, you will need to tape the threads of each piece in the kit. Using the included Teflon tape, wrap each thread 2 to 3 times to prevent any water leakage while filling or emptying the bladder. Once all threads are wrapped, attach the 2-inch NSF 90-degree elbow to the 2-inch NSF male camlock by 2-inch NPT fitting. Finally, connect the 2-inch camlock dust cap, and then you have completed assembly of the fill components. To assemble the discharge components, start by threading the 2-inch NSF brass threaded pipe nipple to the bladder side of the 2-inch NSF ball valve. Then connect the 2-inch NSF male camlock by 2-inch NPT fitting to the opposite end of the ball valve. Last, connect the 2-inch camlock dust cap to complete assembly of the discharge components. Once the ball valve kit is fully taped and assembled, connect the fill portion to the 2-inch FNPT flange on top of the bladder. Then connect the discharge portion to the 2-inch FNPT flange on the side of the bladder, ensuring there is a tight seal between each piece. Be cautious not to over-tighten your kit, as too much torque may cause damage to the threads or to the bladder itself. When the entire kit has been secured, you may attach any fill and discharge hose with a 2-inch female camlock fitting. Once hoses are in place, you may begin filling the bladder. Make sure all hoses and fittings are NSF 61 certified. Following use, drain the bladder completely and begin disassembling each piece of the attached ball valve kit. After each fitting has been separated, remove the Teflon tape from the threads and sanitize the kit as needed. AIRE environmental potable water ball valve kits include everything you need to seamlessly fill or empty a potable water bladder. All components are NSF 61 certified. Call today to place an order. AIRE Environmental, your source for containment solutions.